What is the consider person? Fifth class nursery. What is the color of lady finger? I repeat my question. What is the color of lady finger? Green is the right answer. My second question goes to class LKG. In which planet do you live? Earth is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. Who is the current president of India? Srimati Draupadi Murmu is the right answer. My fourth question goes to class 12. Who is the current vice president of India? Jagdeep Dhankhar is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 2. How many prime number is 1 to 14? I repeat my question. How many prime number is 1 to 14? 4. How many prime number is 1 to 14? 12 is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 3. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the right answer. My seventh question goes to class 4. What is the full form of iron? I repeat my question. What is the full form of iron? This question belongs to class 5 to 6.
Hello.
Representative question is the right answer. My eighth question goes to class 5. What is the full form of CRPF? I repeat my question. What is the full form of CRPF? This question is coming to class 67. Central is the clear form is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 6. What is the chemical formula of ethyl markapson? C2H5HF is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 7. In which change new substance is formed? Chemical change is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. What is the chemical formula of aluminum chloride? I repeat my question. What is the chemical formula of aluminum chloride? This question passes to class 8 to 9. ALCL3 is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. The left and right side of the heart is completely separated from each other by a thin white tissue called. I repeat my question. The left and right side of the heart is completely separated from each other by a thin white tissue called. This question passes to class 1 to 9. Septum is the right answer. My 13th question goes to class 1 to 10. Which player gets 200 wickets in Champions Trophy? Hardik Pandya is the right answer. Dr. Sanghu.